How to make Puerto Rican beans. This is what you need. Pumpkin, some ham chops, and this stuff. So this is what you do. Put fire. First thing you do, put that in there. Like 2 minutes. Once you see like it gets some color, you add the stir fry. And you let that cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, then you add the tomato sauce. I don't use salt, I just use this Goya stuff. You just put it in there. I use like half a pack. This one gives like more color. Then you can just add the beans. I like to add one of these of water. Then you dump some pumpkins. Stir a bit. You wait like 30 minutes and you should be done. Let's see the results. The water should start to evaporate in a few minutes and then you should be done like in 30 minutes. You can occasionally stir it. I have the fire medium. So once you reach the consistency you like, you just pour it in. If you want to know how I made the rice, I'm gonna put the link down below. Enjoy!